T-Mobile Go Next review. Is it worth upgrading in 2025? T-Mobile's Go Next promises faster speeds and broader coverage in 2025, but should you upgrade? Let's find out. Go Next leverages T-Mobile's extended network to provide higher data speeds, lower latency, and better performance in congested areas. Most people get this wrong. They assume all is the same, but Go Next often delivers real-world improvements of 20–50% over standard in tested cities. You won't believe what happens next. Coverage maps show that even suburban areas now enjoy consistent high-speed service. Plans include unlimited data, but Go Next users get priority network access during peak times, which matters for streaming, gaming, and video calls. Compatible phones can take full advantage of these speeds, while older models may see less noticeable improvements. Pricing is slightly higher than standard plans, but T-Mobile often offers trade-in credits or bundle discounts to offset the cost. So, is upgrading worth it? If you need faster, more reliable and live in a Go Next coverage area, yes. For casual users in areas with strong standard the difference may not justify the upgrade. The surprising truth is that not all is created equal. Go Next can transform your mobile experience if you match it with the right device and coverage.